Hello everyone, let's open these two Easter eggs. They're so cute, right? Oh. Alright, so which one? This one or this one? Alright. This one? No? This one? No? You first. No, you first. Oh, okay, this one. Alright, let's open it. What's inside? Oh, wow. Oops. OMG. Okay, they're chocolate balls. Let me try. Okay, let's open the other one. Sounds different. Okay, let's open it. Oh, wow. Oh, they're covered chocolate seashells. Oh yeah, look at this. See, looks like a clams. See? Nice. Alright. Okie dokie. Thank you for watching. Until next time.